Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kindly share, like, comment and subscribe. Let us get my YouTube channel to populated, right? So we are drafting an half scale body. So I'm dividing my pattern paper into two. That's for the front block and the back block. So now I am measuring my neck width and my neck depth. This is my shoulder, my across back measurements, which is 7.5. Take your own across back. For your shoulder slope for the front is 1.5, for the back is 1 inch. Then to get your neck width, you divide your bust measurement divided by 12. Your bust measurement divided by 12. That's how you get your neck width. So if my bust is 36, so that's 36 divided by 12. That's 3 inches. I hope you understand. So I'll do the same for the back, but I'll come down at the back. I'll come down by 1 inch. So it will be 3 by 1 at the back. That's what I am doing there. So I am curving my neck width for the back. You see, this is what I am doing there. 3 by 1 for the back. So I'm going to slant from my neck, the tip of my neck, to the tip of my shoulder. You see, I've slanted it down, but for both front and back. I've done front initially, so I'm doing for the front block and the back block. So yes, I am going to get my shoulder to chest and shoulder to waist for the back. That's the only vertical measurement you need for the back. Shoulder to chest and shoulder to waist. For the front, shoulder to chest, shoulder to bust point, shoulder to waist. So that's what you do for the front. To get your shoulder to chest, you divide your bust circumference divided by 6 plus 1.5. Please, I hope we are getting these numbers. Your bust circumference divided by 6 plus 1.5. That's how you get your shoulder to chest line. Yes, that's how you get your shoulder to chest line. Bust measurement divided by 6 plus 1.5 inches. It has worked for me. It has worked for everyone I have taught. So I bring down my across back measurement, which is 7.5, then rule it down to have a straight line. Now, to measure your shoulder to chest, you use your back measurement. So when you are coming down, you come down by from your back measurement 7.5, and you come down. Then for the front, you take what you have from the beginning and then measure to get that. We came down by 7.5. We came down by 1 at the front and 1.5 at the back. So you look at what you have at the front, at the back, and take it back to the front. So this is me doing my armhole curve. So for your armhole, you go in by 0.5 or for the front, or 0.75. Anyone you're comfortable with. So I'm giving it a fine curve. So you put down your bust measurement on your chest line. Then you curve your armhole to that point. So I'm rolling it down to my waist. Yeah, I'm adjusting it so that you guys will see it. Kindly like, follow and share if this was helpful to you, to be helpful to others. We want to grow our following. So I'm taking my dart measurement. So you take your bust interval, yes, divided by 2, and take your dart to your chest line. So for my front measurement, my front is bigger than my back by 2 inches. So I'm going to take in my dart. That's the other dart. I will now divide that dart into 2. So I'm going to get, it will not be short. So what I am doing here is that I don't want the dart there to be short. So I divide by 2 inches. Then yes, you see, I'm going away from the initial measurement to plot that dart, so it will not be short. I hope we understand. So this is my front block. Easy peasy, isn't it? Let me know your reaction. in the comment section. I want to engage with you all. Kindly like, comment, and share. So my paper is short. I'm going to add more paper to that. I didn't know it would be that short. So you see my back block, you see it's shorter than the front by 2 inches. By what you are even saying, you can see it. So that's why I plotted the armhole, the bust dart. You see, I plotted the bust dart because you see now the back is shorter than the front with 2 inches. Your back and your front block is not the same because your front block you have breasts, so your front block will be bigger than your back, except for people that are flat chested. So I am plotting now for the back so that I will not have bulge at the back. From my waistline, I go in by 1/2 inch. Then before I start measuring, you see, then I start measuring my chest line. That's my bust line. I measure it down. I bring down my my across back. Then divide it by 2. Then go in by 1/2 inch. Then give it a very good curve. You see what I did here? You see the curve? There's no way you are doing your pattern that you don't know you are right or you are wrong. When you are wrong, you would know. So from my from this one I left, the 1/2 inch I took in for reduce my bulge, I take in my waistline, then I mark it down. I mark my, yes. So this half scale bodice. This is the front, this is the back block. I'm marking it, back block. Seam allowance. Remember, you're going to add zip at the back, except you're adding your zip at the front. So you're going to add zip at the back. So you're going to, so I'm highlighting it for you also. You get to see what I have done here. Why I am doing this video again is because some people said they can't see it, so I had to. Yeah, so how to eliminate another bulge? Go up by 1/2 inch. Go up by 1/2 inch. So to get my dart for the back, I divide my dart into 2 and get my dart. You see, divide your dart into 2. I am doing 0.75 for my dart. Then I will do the same. You see, I expect us to know how to plot a dart. And if you don't know how to plot a dart, this video is very, very, very helpful. Very helpful. You know. Kindly share to your seal friends. Let them come to our community. So this is it. You see, I plotted it that. Very simple. Very, very simple. Will the front and the back be short? No, it will not be short. The back will not be short. In fact, it's going to align. Try this method. It's going to align and it's going to fit your client perfectly. So this is it. This is our basic block. This is our basic block. You see how it is? I'm highlighting it for you guys. I'm highlighting it so you guys are going to see how it is. And you not complain that it is pencil, it is faint, we can't see it. You see, now you can see it. Now remember to close your dart though. You don't leave your dart like that. If your front is longer than your back, you didn't close your dart. You didn't close your dart. So now you can transfer that. You can transfer it to your shoulder point. You divide your shoulder slant into 2 and mark a line to meet your bust point. You see, you divide it. You see what I have done there? You can transfer your bust dart to your shoulder point. You can transfer it to your waist dart. This is how to transfer that. I've just taught you another principle. This is how to transfer that. So divide your shoulder neck shoulder slope to your, divide it into 2, then let it meet your bust point. Remember, we use terminology in fashion. Know the terms in fashion. So I'm just cutting it out so you see how to close your dart. If you don't close your dart, your front will be bigger, it will be longer than your back. You now start saying, this method doesn't work for me. it is a lie. You didn't follow the principle through and through. So here we are. See how we closed our darts. You see how we close our darts. Yes, this is how to close your darts. Then you use either your paper tape or any tape of your choice. You use it to close it down before transferring it to fabric. And when you want to transfer to fabric, add your seam allowance. This is the normal bodice. Add your seam allowance when you are transferring to fabric. I hope this video was helpful enough. Kindly like, comment and share.